Oh, that's crazy. Hi guys, it's 4th of July in the morning right now. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I kind of just woke up. I'm trying not to pick up so much. I have a couple of mess. So I'm trying not to pick up as much, and I just want to sit down, enjoy a cup of coffee. So I have my coffee brewing right now, but I just wanted to kind of recap about what's going on. I did want to upload the birthday party vlog because that's like my 3rd or 4th balloon arch that I have done. And I'm kind of getting the hang of it. I'm kind of loving it. So I don't know if I'm gonna pursue into that, you know, try and make more. Right now I'm just kind of practicing and learning the ropes and stuff like that for like my nieces and nephews' birthday party, because I'm kind of scared about charging for something that I'm not quite sure about yet. For Porsche's birthday vlog, I was not feeling good, guys. I have PCOS, which kind of TMI, you know, sometimes I'll get like dizzy, lightheaded with my like heavy periods. I was very busy. I was running around and stuff. I wasn't thinking too much about vlogging because I was just trying to get this party set up. You know, we arrived kind of late to our own birthday party, but the setup was really quick. My brother and everybody there was just helping out, and you know, thank y'all so much for always helping with everything. The grill was nice and hot and ready to go, so we just threw on the burgers and the hot dogs, and the food was done pretty fast. So yeah, so I didn't vlog during Porsche's birthday vlog, but it was awesome. Everyone had fun. She had fun. We had a birthday party on Saturday. Sorry guys, I have Juliana here crawling all over my legs. Oh, hello. Hi. On the last vlog, I did want to do a lot more updates and vlog more, but it's been like really hard for me lately. Well, I'm not sure what else I wanted to update y'all on. I already lost my train of thought. Look at her morning hair. Look at your morning hair. But I will see you throughout the day, guys. I'm just gonna sit down and enjoy my coffee and then pick up a little bit. And later on, I'm not even sure what we're doing today. So we'll see what we do. I have like either my mother-in-law's house, my mom's house, which my sister-in-law, my brother will be there, and all my nieces and nephews. Or I kind of want to go to the park because they're going to have like a fireworks show. I don't think that's really going to happen. Oh my goodness. So we'll see what we do later, guys. Right now I'm just going to sit down, enjoy a coffee. Bye. Got my coffee. Watching Chanel Renee. I love her so much. These are Juliana's best friends. Right, mama? These are your friends. Virtual friends. But she buys like all the great products. Her kids have the Tony speaker box. I know some of my sister-in-laws do too, but what do y'all think about the Tony box, guys? And I just saw, she just showed right now that the Tony boxes now, they have like little stuffed animals. It's not just the hard plastic toys. Oh my goodness. She just like wants my phone. Whenever she sees me pick it up and start recording, she just like runs to me, or look at her. She's starting to make noise in the background. I think she just wants my phone, guys. But yeah, I really enjoy watching Chanel Renee. Y'all should check her out on YouTube. She has 2 little girls and she is an awesome mommy. It is like 5 p.m. now and we're just hanging out on the trampoline.
I want to put this ring back.
She hears some noise in there. Oh, we had Rebecca. What is it, mama? What is it? You could hear? Oh my goodness. Oh my. She is gonna take a long nap.
So we're gonna come back.
It's our chicken Bernice. She has 1 baby puito.
Hello.
What is that? Whoa, whoa, whoa. We made it to my mother-in-law's. Music and food on the grill.
Juliana? Like $3?
Yes, please. Yeah.
There's regular.
Look, it's the birthday
But the lady did
girl.
tell me. Oh! Take the papers.
Can you see us or not?
Baby.
Baby? Dancey, dancey.
Wait, you saw it? What was it?
Dancey, dancey. Woo! Dance. Jenny, she's trying to take a little step. She'll stand up and then she'll take a little step. Yeah. Oh, music? Bye. Yay!
Shall I say?
Coming.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone's favorite potato salad.
Oh, is the corn done? So you start cutting it?
Ooh, papa. Papa.
All the flowers.
Oh, look, Gracie. Yay. Look. Wow. Yay. Look, Mama. Wow. Come. Woo! So pretty.
Porsche! Jag tänkte, det är Porsche. Nej, det får det gå.
I think they're in there. No, my fire went.
I'll do this for you. Oh, I was about to bring it. Look at that guy.
What color is it?
Hey.
Awesome.
Bring it over here before I die.
Awesome.
Look, let me see it. Look. Hey, hurry. What? Yes, why?
What are you doing, boy? Okay, Relee's here. There we go. Kind of here. Oh no, which way is it facing? Oh, okay, that way. Okay.
Looks like a race car. Oh.
See, wouldn't that look pretty standing up? That's okay. Scoot! Scoot! Good morning from Poteet, Texas. Today's Sunday. Yes. So we're out here in Poteet, Texas getting some barbacoa. You know our spot. Yeah. Alright guys, and that is it for this 4th of July vlog. I took y'all into our early morning on Sunday and just showed y'all a little bit around Poteet, Texas. And then after that we went to Alfonso's work. And just to recap, I got y'all caught up on why I didn't post a birthday vlog for Porsche's 11th birthday. We did have an awesome time at the lake, and I did not have my phone on me like that whole day, but I will post 1 or 2 pics that I found here from our family messaging group. But as always, thank y'all so much for watching my videos, and I will see you on the next vlog. Bye.